Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to fix ChatGPT. You have reached the maximum length for the conversation in ChatGPT. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Scroll down. Tap on apps. Tap on manage apps. Search ChatGPT application. Tap on ChatGPT application. Again tap on storage. Tap on clear data. Tap on clear cache data. Step 2. Again open your ChatGPT application and start a new conversation and solve this problem. You can follow all of the steps to fix. You have reached the maximum length for this conversation in ChatGPT. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.